I will explain it. I will repeat it and explain it. So the question is, if a Muslim dies and you want to do something good for them to get more good deeds after their death, could you buy a book and give it to a mosque or something like this? So the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he told us that when a person dies, all of their good deeds come to an end except three. Three things will get you reward after your death. The first is that beneficial ilm nafi', and it's something that has benefit that you taught somebody. Let's say somebody didn't know how to read Qur'an, and you taught them how to read Qur'an, then you could be dead in your grave. Every time they read the Qur'an, you will get the reward. Second, sadaqah jariyah, that sadaqah that continues to benefit. For example, the person built a mosque. You took money and they built a mosque, or they built an orphanage, or they built they dug a well for people that don't have clean water. As long as people are using that sadaqah, you will get the reward for it. And the third is waladu salih yad'u lahu, the pious child that makes dua for them. So if you want, like if your parents are no longer living, the best thing you can do is pray for them, is to give charity, to be a good person, to be a good human being, a good Muslim, and all of that will go in their reward. If somebody has money and they give it for sadaqah jariyah, if somebody dies and they have money left and you put that towards something beneficial, that sadaqah jariyah will reward them. If they had some knowledge and they taught it, that will reward them. These three things will benefit you even after death. Alright, with that we will end the question, but you guys can sit with each other and talk or ask, and if you want a Qur'an or if you want some literature, we have it free of charge. If you want to know more, we have brothers here, you can take contact information, we can be in touch. Thank you so much.